I will not advise that, Commissioner.
Thank you. General, why does it exclude Dagga and Kat?
Commissioners, cut is a plant that's originating from North Africa. Obviously, and that plant needs to be submitted to FSL within a specific period, because otherwise it becomes rotten. So only samples are taken and then submitted to FSL. That's the only sampling. With Dagga, obviously, it means that when a cultivation facility is dismantled, you might sit with a whole warehouse full of Dagga. So it's just not practically possible to submit that whole consignment for analysis to the forensic